Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in. This is essential because purchases and deletions link to that account. Next, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. This takes you to Account Settings. Once there, choose Purchased, then My Purchases to reveal all apps tied to your Apple ID, including ones you deleted. Make sure to pick the right device filter, all or not on this iPhone, so deleted apps appear immediately in the list. Once you're viewing My Purchases, switch to Not on this iPhone to isolate apps removed from this device. Then either scroll or use the search field to type the app name. This is faster if you remember part of the title. When you see the app, look for the cloud download icon. That indicates it's removed locally but available to re-download. Tap the cloud icon, approve any prompts, and the app will re-download. Make sure you have enough storage and a Wi-Fi connection. After re-downloading, restore data by opening the app and signing in. Many apps pull data from iCloud or their cloud service automatically. If you used an iCloud backup, you may need to restore the entire device backup to recover local app data, weigh that cost before proceeding. If you don't find your data, check the app's internal settings or contact the developer. If the app won't re-download, sign out and back into the App Store, restart the iPhone, and ensure iOS is updated. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.